Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Only made today, and as we can see right here, we're going to be doing some Chinese leaves or Chinese cabbage. Vegan style, garlic and ginger, absolutely delicious, super healthy. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using. So here's our Chinese cabbage. I've cut mine quite chunky, you don't have to do it, you can shred it if you want. I've got a little bit of bell pepper there, red bell pepper, a nice bit of colour. You could be adding something else if you wanted. Onion sliced, garlic and ginger. I'm using about twice as much garlic as ginger, but you know, you can do 50-50 if you want. Cilantro or coriander. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, and we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, let's get moving on this one. Really simple. Wok or frying pan. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using like a sesame oil or something like that. That's up to you. What we do need is to heat the oil. We're going to start off by getting in our ginger and our garlic. Now, as you can see, I've cut mine quite chunky, and I like to put these in first into the hot oil for two reasons. One, they'll infuse the oil, and two, as we cook, they're going to blacken a little bit. They're going to go golden brown and blacken a little bit, and I really love that flavour. So let them just do their thing, a few more seconds. Already slightly changing colour. Now we're going to add the onions. I'm using a red onion, as you can see, but any colour will be fine. Optional, but I like it. A little bit of black pepper. I'm going to add a tiny amount of salt, not too much at all, because we're going to be adding soy sauce, and that's very salty. Really simply, we're now going to start adding in our Chinese cabbage or Chinese leaves. Like I said earlier, I've cut mine quite chunky. You can shred it really fine if you want, cut it how you want. What we need to do now is stir fry this for about 4 minutes on a high heat. So you can see that this is reduced down a bit as it wilts. As the heat goes through, it will wilt a little bit. Now I'm going to add those optional or extra bell peppers, just as a bit of colour. Now what we're going to do is add some soy. So I like to put about 1 part of the soy sauce to about 2 parts of water, cold water. Now keeping it on a high heat, and you can already see there's not huge amounts of moisture in there. Keep it on a high heat and stir fry this now. I'm going to go for about 3 minutes. I still want this all quite crunchy. You can cook it longer if you want. Keep stirring all the time now. Okay, off goes the heat. I'm happy like that. Still crunchy there for me. You might want to cook it a bit longer. I'm just going to add now some fresh cilantro. Maybe if you wanted, you could put some sesame seeds on this, or get some green onions chopped in there now. That can also work. Right, that's it. Really, really super easy, super tasty, healthy, vegetarian, vegan, and delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.